Hello guys, so currently on my screen here we can all see I am mining free BTC into my wallet for free, as I have highlighted here. As you can see here, it is going in that way. All right, so I am using this mining free with a power of 3 hash power. All right, so this is the 3 hash power I'm currently using here, and each and every day I am to gain this 0.000000904 BTC into my wallet for free. All right, so this is how it is going to be on the screen whenever you just click on the link under the description below. All right, so I'll be showing you everything you have to know here, but first of all, let me show you how this website actually works. All right, so let's log out in order for you to get access to the website. Of course, whenever you click on the link, this is the overview of the website, and it's the btcfree.com. all right, so it's actually going to take you to this place, and then you have to copy your faucet pay account. All right, so this is my faucet pay. I'll take you through how you can go by the faucet pay. All right, if you don't have faucet pay account, kindly create one, and if you do too, I'll show you everything you have to do here. But please kindly subscribe to the channel, like it, and give me your comment as you are watching this particular video. And I'm no way a financial advisor, I'm just guiding you and taking you through how you can also start making money online at ease. All right, so let's log into our faucet pay account. All right, so this is my faucet pay account. I am actually logging into my faucet pay account. I'm not a robot. You click on that. All right, so there is a little exercise for you to complete here in order for you to log into your faucet pay account. Those of us who have been using can just verify that. All right, so you just complete this captcha here and just apply. Okay, so in that way, let's log into the website. All right, so this is the faucet pay account currently here. As you can see here, whenever I get to this faucet pay account here, just click on the wallet here. All right, and we are in for BTC, right? We are in for BTC, as you can see here. So go to the deposit. There is a link which is going to generate it for you. Just click on the copy address, go back to the website. All right, so this is the overview of the website. As I said earlier, this is the overview. Just come to the website and just copy the link into the website. All right, so as I've logged in, you can still see I am still mining my free BTC on this particular website. Kindly subscribe to the channel, as I've said, as we are still continuing with this particular video. All right, so you can actually deposit on this particular website. You can withdraw from this particular website. We can also receive powers, or you can also buy powers on this particular website. You can refer your friends, and moreover, you can also receive rewards from this particular website. So I'll be showing you everything you have to know here. On the top here is the home page, as we can see here. Okay, the next one is the reward. So each and every day you have to come here, click to earn. You see there are rewards here, so you have to click to earn each and every day. After this 24 hours, this 23 hours, you have to come here and just click on a link here which will be given to you in order for you to be rewarded to get this hash power here, which can help you mine your free Bitcoin. All right, so this is the rate at which my Bitcoin is run. That's the speed of it. That's the 3 hash power. That's the speed of it. So in order for you to increase the speed of it, you can go to the buy power aspect of the website. You can buy any power you want. So this is 0.0005 Bitcoin. You have to buy it to get about 5,000 power, which at least is going to run your BTC at higher speed for you. All right, so you can select any of the power you wish. 50,000 here, 500,000 or here, which is going to cost you some amount of BTC, and of course you can buy them so that you can run your BTC at higher speed. All right, and you can also make deposit on this particular website in case you want to actually buy anything on this particular website. So it only receives the Binance Smart Coin BIP20. You can check up on that, or you can copy the address here and do any transaction you wish to do. All right, so the most interested part is the withdrawal aspect, which most investors always want to hear about. So the minimum withdrawal is very simple. You can withdraw at 0.00000001 at 6 zeros plus the one there, you can withdraw there. So currently I have 7 zeros, so left only one of them for me to currently withdraw my money or my BTC from this particular website. As soon as you get to the minimum, you can just request in for withdrawal from this particular website. Okay, you can just request for withdrawal from this particular website. So I've just entered this amount just to see if it's going to work for me. Actually, I'm not exceeding the number of minimum withdrawal, but I'm just giving a trial. So as soon as you click on withdrawal, and if you are capable of withdrawing, they will show you that your withdrawal has been withdrawn. You see, my withdrawal amount must be greater than 0, so I'm not yet. So please do well to mine your free Bitcoin at this particular website for free. All right, moreover, you can also come to the referral programs here, or you can refer others by copying this referral link to share with friends. As soon as they also join, you're going to get some interest, or at least you can get some speed on how your BTC is going to run for you. All right, so this is the most easiest way you can start mining free Bitcoin. Actually, Bitcoin is the most important coin on the cryptos aspect. Is one of the most important coins on cryptos. You can start making money with crypto, but please, you should all note, I'm nowhere a financial advisor. I'm just guiding you and taking you through how you can also start making money online. In addition, you can join my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. Both the link can be found under the description. You can join me there so that you can also start making money with the money team as well. Please, you should also note that whenever you are withdrawing money from this particular website and you've been asked to deposit before you can withdraw, please don't deposit. Yes, don't deposit actually. So thank you for watching this particular video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like it, and give me your comments in the comment section. Thank you and see ya.